What if a single natural ingredient, used for just 1 week, could fundamentally change how your body feels from the inside out? For anyone over 40, it's not just your imagination. Your metabolism shifts, your skin doesn't bounce back like it used to, and new aches seem to appear out of nowhere. While the world pushes expensive creams and complicated supplements, one ancient botanical extract is making a major comeback for its profound ability to support your body's own renewal processes. Number 1. Nature's reset button. The secret isn't new. It's nature's reset button. Derived from the seeds of a unique plant, this oil is power-packed with a special fatty acid known for its power to soothe inflammation, fight bacteria, and help your body's own cleansing systems. It's a cornerstone of Ayurveda, traditionally used to support liver health and get your lymphatic system moving. Its true superpower? It works just as powerfully when applied to your skin as it does when taken internally. Number 2. The first 48 hours. Internal spring cleaning. In the initial 2 days, simply massaging a small amount onto your stomach, over your liver, or on stiff joints can start to mobilize stagnant waste in your tissues. The oil absorbs deeply, encouraging lymphatic flow and giving your liver a supportive nudge. Many people notice they're visiting the bathroom more, experiencing smoother digestion, or their skin starting to purge impurities during this phase. Feel lighter from day 1. Number 3. Days 3 and 4. Skin radiance. This is often when the first visible transformations emerge. Dullness, sunspots, and fine lines can begin to look noticeably softened. Your complexion's overall feel becomes more refined and supple. This is a result of deep nourishment. The oil helps boost your skin's natural collagen, aids in repairing stress cells, and often outperforms many store-bought anti-aging serums. Using it daily on your face and neck can lead to a visibly tighter, smoother, and more vibrant appearance. Number 4. Days 5 and 6. Joint and digestive relief. By this point, many users describe a significant easing of joint stiffness or a new sense of physical lightness. The oil can travel through the skin to reach deeper tissues, where it helps calm irritation and release tension. It's especially beneficial when used with a gentle massage technique. Simultaneously, it brings balance to your digestive tract. Occasional constipation can be alleviated gently, without the harsh effects of typical over-the-counter remedies. Number 5. Day 7. Holistic harmony. After a week of consistent use, a remarkable shift often takes hold. You may feel more energetic, vibrant, and at peace. This is the cumulative effect of internal cleansing, better circulation, skin nourishment, and hormonal support. Because this oil also interacts with your endocrine system, it fosters a genuine sense of rejuvenation and mental clarity. This is more than a remedy. It's a daily ritual. For anyone seeking a natural path to vitality, the results can be genuinely surprising. Conclusion. If you found this exploration of natural wellness helpful, do us a favor and give this video a like, and make sure you're following Natural Life Hacks for more ways to live better, naturally.